Here is the rewritten version with only the first title kept and all other headings removed. Crows, intelligent birds of the natural world. Crows are among the most intelligent and adaptable birds on Earth. They belong to the corvid family, which also includes ravens, magpies, and jays. Crows are known for their problem-solving skills, strong memory, and ability to live in many different environments across the world. Crow are medium to large-sized birds with a strong and simple body structure. They are mostly completely black, sometimes showing a slight purple or blue shine when sunlight hits their feathers. Their beak is strong, slightly curved and sharp, which helps them eat many different types of food. Their eyes are dark and very alert, reflecting their intelligence. When flying, their broad wings give them strong and steady movement, while their fan-shaped tail helps with balance. Crows can live a surprisingly long time compared to many birds. In the wild, they usually live around 7 to 15 years, while in protected environments such as zoos, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Their lifespan depends on food availability, predators, and environmental conditions. Their intelligence also helps them avoid danger and survive longer than many other birds. Crows are found almost everywhere in the world except Antarctica. They are common in Africa, including Burundi and surrounding countries, Europe, Asia, North America, and Australia. Because they adapt easily, they can live in forests, cities, farms, mountains, and even coastal areas. This makes them one of the most widely spread bird species on Earth. Crows are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes insects like worms and beetles, small animals such as frogs and eggs, fruits, seeds, grains, and even food waste from humans. They also eat dead animals when available. This flexible diet helps them survive in many different environments. One of the most fascinating things about crows is their intelligence. They can use tools like sticks to reach food, recognize human faces, communicate with different calls, and solve complex problems. They also remember danger and can warn each other. Crows often live in groups and help each other survive, showing strong social behavior. In conclusion, crows are highly intelligent, adaptable, and widespread birds. Their ability to survive in many environments, long lifespan, and varied diet make them one of the most successful bird species in the world. Even though they are sometimes misunderstood, crows play an important role in nature by cleaning the environment and controlling insect populations.